Bill had a dream and $68,000 in student loans. Crushed by debt, stuck in payments, and almost giving up, until one smart plan changed everything. This is the true story of Beautiful Bill, and how you can escape student debt too. Meet Bill. Smart, driven, full of dreams, and, like millions of others, buried in student loan debt. But this isn't a story of failure. It's a story of transformation, strategy, and financial freedom. This is the story of Beautiful Bill and his student loans, and how you can do what he did. Stick around, because I'm going to show you the real cost of student loans, the smart ways to repay them, and the hacks no one talks about, all through the story of Bill. Bill was like most students. He wanted a better future, so he went to college. But what came with that dream? $68,000 in federal student loans. Bill was like most students. He wanted a better future, so he went to college. But what came with that dream? $68,000 in federal student loans. He majored in marketing, got decent grades, and landed a job paying $45,000 a year. Not bad. But then came the monthly payments, $780. And it hit hard. Beautiful Bill wasn't living large. He was living paycheck to paycheck. But here's where the story changes. Let's break it down. Bill borrowed $68,000 at an interest rate of 6.8% over 10 years. That means his total repayment would be over $93,000. Loan, $68,000. Interest, $25,000. Total repayment, $93,000. But most people don't think about this when signing loan papers at 18. Bill didn't either. One day, Bill looked at his bank account. After rent, food, and gas, he had $24 left. That was his wake-up call. He knew he couldn't live like this for 10 more years. So, he researched. He watched videos, read blogs, listened to podcasts. And here's what he discovered. Beautiful Bill built a plan. Here are the 5 things he did. And you can too. 1. Switched to an income-driven repayment plan. Bill applied for the Repay plan. His payments dropped from $780 to $250, giving him breathing room. 2. Picked up a side hustle. Bill started freelancing on Fiverr. He made an extra $500 a month and put every dollar toward the principal. 3. Cut lifestyle expenses. He stopped eating out, canceled unused subscriptions, and got a roommate. This saved $300 a month. 4. Used student loan forgiveness options. After working in a nonprofit for 3 years, Bill realized he qualified for public service